I have INFINIX Zero 5 and let me show you how to boost the device, how to speed up the system by using optimization button. So let's here find and select the XOS family, choose phone manager, and here all you need to do is just wait until the following button pops up and choose lightning boost. The device is performing the one touch optimization, so the phone is clearing some memory, remove some trash files and other stuff. You can also manually clear trash right here. Let's tap allow phone to access those permissions, and let's wait until the scan will be completed. Now you can tap clean and you can clean the trash files. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.